So you can
lot
make
of
a
money.
point, everyone can make a point. So first of all, the first and foremost thing to check any script is the chart pattern. That is too important for us. Okay. So if I am seeing HCC here, it is quite visible to you as well. Just see, it has made a rounding bottom and a cup and a handle formation in making. So this is easier that this stock is standing at a breakout. That is number one. Second thing which we check on a script is the volume part. So this is the volume part which is quite soothing. You know, we have strike 45 and then again there is a push, maybe some delivery selling, and then this whosoever is collecting the script, he is just buying the script. At every top, he's getting a uh, volume pressure. Okay, so gradually, what is important here is that this volume is dropping. That means sellers are dropping. That is in momentum. That is number one. Okay, so it has made a morning star pattern here, and today we that is why we have seen some kind of up move. We made a high of 42.80. Morning star respected. So somebody who have bought on morning star today morning, 41.5 was the low, 41.55, and went up 1 rupee. So this is consolidating, number one. Then we have then what we have to see, we have to see the momentum averages. So I'm checking that we are overbought somewhat here. Our averages are overheated. Momentum is intact. Okay, so averages can remain overheated. If momentum in stock is intact, that means there is some huge interest which is uh, happening in this script. So any fall in the script to 50% as a buy, and 40.20 could be a stop loss. On a closing basis, if it closes below 39.30, that turns negative with the script. Okay. So cup and
Yeah,
handle formation,
certainly.
momentum is come again.
Yeah, Puneet, actually, what I'll tell you, like we have been one or two friends. Sanjeev is also there. When we did a daily training, so me and
Hmm.
Sanjeev are tracking this. What do you call open interest,
Hmm.
where the script which goes in which is supposed to go in ban the next
Hmm.
day. So we have seen a trend that the script which has an open interest of 88, 87, 85%, and there is anticipation that it might go in ban. Then the very
Hmm.
next day the script really moves on. Like we are studying this pattern from the 4 5 days. Jindal Steel is one. We were anticipating it will go in ban, and it went berserk, like in terms of price. Then Jan Irrigation was also one. Fortis was also one, and this HCC, Diwan Housing,
See,
Jet
it is always
Airways.
there. Na? Look, why it is so? It is only because there are huge volume interest happening. So chart speaks well before than this open interest. So first and foremost is chart pattern. Then comes your open interest. First you have to see your oscillators and momentum. Then you have to come on open interest. Open interest will stamp you. Okay, it can move either side. Okay, if it is going in band, that doesn't mean that this will strike up. It can strike down also. Okay,
Yeah,
studying open
uh,
interest, see, it is again one of oscillator. It is supporting you. Okay, where things are moving. So early morning, whenever you open your channel, TV channel, what they say? They say the 10,500 open interest call option we have heaviest. 10,400 put writing is heaviest. So that indicates a range bound activity. So they are just reading open interest. Okay, being a trader, you need to find best points, best bargain points to get into the script. I have not given so all those calls which I have given, all those long-term calls, open interest is again secondary. I am more actually relying on charts and chart patterns. That is more important. And
okay.
much of strength is your volume reading. If you are able to actually crunch numbers behind this long green candles and red candles, you are a market maker, more than a market maker. So I always advise which is for long term. Open interest is something which will give you momentum, which is near to ban. That means operator maybe he has sold everything. Open interest can be on either side, on a selling side or a buying side. On a buying side, if you are able to judge good, then okay, you'll get a momentum. But if you got trapped, then you can see the infibing thing happening. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Although the study is good, but you need to actually cross-check this with the chart pattern. So this, if the chart pattern is bullish and open interest is standing well on a breakout near to band, then it works really well. But chart pattern is negative
So
and you've seen just open interest, then it might actually go against you.
so as per you, whatever I posted in HCC, it is a good study, right?
Yeah, so I have picked HCC in my portfolio 40.50. I have a target of 49 to 50 on it. It may cool down a bit, so I'm not so worried. I'm considering this as a best bargain because it has no bottom. Okay, you've seen all this construction and infra stocks are moving, so this is the time period.
Yes.
So if we just check, so we need to see the overall scenario, na? So overall scenario is supportive. Okay, so just see, this is round. I'm just checking this monthly chart pattern. So this is monthly rounding up, and it's just trying to make a bottom here. Dodgy formations are there. Then we have green shoots here, buying. Monthly, it is, although indicator is showing some weak strength. Any good volume this time will take the script up. And we have on an average, if you can see, we have seen a higher lows and a reversal in EMA, exponential moving average, is taking up. So probably this time it is a breakout, and this is not 48 or 50. We are seeing just higher levels of say 60, 65 on this, 68. Maybe any strike short term. So how these things happen, if the momentum is good, result actually follow. So this time you need to track HCC result. So when these results are, so 10 days before the stock will start striking in, and results are going to be fantastic. Okay, so every chart pattern will tell you that how results are going to post. So if
Yeah,
you're
because
following